Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily due to the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to a warming effect that can cause changes in climate patterns, sea level rise, and a variety of other environmental impacts. The primary cause of global warming is the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas, which releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Human activities such as deforestation and agriculture also contribute to global warming by releasing additional greenhouse gases. Increased frequency and severity of natural disasters. Global warming is expected to increase the frequency and severity of natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts, which can lead to loss of life and property damage. Rising sea levels. As global temperatures continue to rise, glaciers and ice caps are melting, causing sea levels to rise. This can lead to flooding of coastal areas, displacement of people, and damage to infrastructure. Changes in weather patterns. Global warming is expected to cause changes in weather patterns, leading to increased heat waves, droughts, and wildfires in some regions and increased precipitation and flooding in others. Loss of biodiversity. Many plant and animal species may not be able to adapt to the rapidly changing climate, leading to a loss of biodiversity. Public health impacts. Global warming is expected to increase the spread of infectious diseases, exacerbate air pollution, and increase the frequency and severity of heat waves, all of which can have negative impacts on public health. Economic impacts. The costs associated with the impacts of global warming, such as infrastructure damage and increased healthcare costs, can be significant, and could have major economic impacts. Overall, it is important to take action to reduce global warming in order to minimize the risks associated with these potential consequences. Reduce energy consumption. This can be done by using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights and electronics when not in use, and reducing the use of air conditioning and heating. Use renewable energy sources. Switching to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing waste and reusing and recycling materials can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions associated with manufacturing and disposal of products. Use public transportation, walk or bike. Reducing the use of personal vehicles can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, especially if more people opt for public transportation or choose to walk or bike. Support sustainable practices. This can be done by supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability and reducing the consumption of meat, which has a high carbon footprint. Plant trees and protect forests. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Protecting forests and other natural habitats can help preserve these carbon sinks. Advocate for policy changes. Encouraging government officials to implement policies that reduce greenhouse gas emissions can have a significant impact on global warming.